This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your phone calls on any Android phone. So you might already have this on your phone, but if you have like a Samsung or something like that, you probably don't yet. Just go on over the Google Play Store and get Phone by Google, Google LLC. Just type in phone under search and it should pop up for you. Phone. Going down, here's Phone by Google and get this application. And then switch this on over to your default application. You just have to open it up and set it as default. So I have a Google Pixel 7. And you can see I got this spam call right here. And it was automatically declined. Now go to the top left and go to these three little lines right here. And go to settings. So under here, we got all these different spam options too. Scam detection, caller ID and spam, call screen. We can turn on maximum protection and automatically decline that. But we also have call recording right here. We can just turn this on. Turn on call recording. Ask to record calls. I think there is some sort of law in other states, maybe not so much in like Wisconsin, where someone has to be aware that you are recording their calls. So there will be like a little robot voice that will be like, this call is being recorded on their end. But we can just turn this on. Never delete recordings. Automatically record calls with non-contacts. Okay, so that's probably good. Automatically record calls with these numbers. So just turn this on. You can come back here and we should be able to listen to our recordings as well. Now, if you can't find your recordings, there is a recording folder. If we swipe up and go to Files. Go to Files here, or My Files. And then we can go on down. Under here, we can go to internal storage on our phone. And there should be a recording folder somewhere here. Recording. Now, I don't have anything recorded in there, but we can listen to them under here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.